Number one, the first magazine, the where which explosion took place.
Yes.
We have got all the clearances, including the license.
Oloni.
This is what I'm telling you. Okay.
Taka सांगणे.
You don't have the licenses. The license cannot be completed without having the local panchayat bodies NOC.
What I have been explained. I don't know. You are the expert. What I have been
We are not
explained
experts.
that once the town and country planning gives the clearance, they take the approval from the panchayat. That is what I have been explained.
Officials of this company, they are saying PESO is
No,
at fault.
no, we are not saying
PESO
PESO
should
is
have
at fault.
verified all the licenses and issued them.
You are not saying that, no? You are
PESO
not
is
saying
not
that.
at fault, you are saying.
No,
No, he is
what I'm
saying
is we were
they are
having
at fault,
impression
they are at
that-
fault.
That PESO has given the clearance.
Yes.
That means all the clearance have been obtained.
So
Yes.
PESO,
Saying
PESO,
illiterate, you all are saying you all are
We
illiterate.
got
Arey no,
What's your good name?
Sarpanch,
What's
they
your
would
good
have
name?
PESO is at fault.
Ajay going.
Ajay,
I-
okay, you are as a company in this.
I am the chief manager.
So can you read this, my dear?
नाकेरी बेतलान कालच्या राती कडेन जाल्लो तो स्फोट न्हय, प्रेशराक लागून जाल्लो ल्हानसो सावंड. हक्सप्रेसियन मॅगझीन कंपनीचो चीफ मॅनेजर कमिशन अँड फायनान्स अजय गोयंकान सांगले. आयज परत एक फावट सुवातीचें इन्स्पेक्शन जालें, पूण पंचायतीची NOC नाशिल्ल्यान अधिकाऱ्यां कडेन मातशीशी वादावादी जाली. वेळणेचे हक्सप्रेसियन मॅगझीन कंपनीन नाकेरी बेतूल आर्म्स अँड एम्युनेशन दारुगोळा साठावन दवरपाचे 2 गुदाव बांदल्यात. गुदावांत पयरचे राती ब्लास्ट जालो. ब्लास्ट जावन सुमार 1 किलोमीटर अंतरार लोकांच्या घरार फातर उसळ्ळे. नाकेरी बेतूल पंचायत वांगड्यांनी थळावो आमदार एल्टन डिकोस्टा बरोबर वचून बंदूक पावडर गोदावाच्या एम्युनिकेशन सांठो केल्ल्या कंपनीचेर पुलिशेन गुन्यांव दाखल केलो. दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो अधिकाऱ्यान कंपनी बंद दवरपाचो आदेश दिल्लो. आयज ताचें इन्स्पेक्शन जालें.
क्या डिसीजन लिया है कैसा
है the senior officer from PESO Bombay was here and he inspected the site. He checked the dimensions, he checked the distance table, whether the construction of the magazines have been made as per the approved norms. He checked the contents of the magazine. He checked everything in detail and he said that he will be giving the recommendations what has to be done. And he was also he was of the firm opinion that it is not an explosion. Why it is not an explosion? Because had there been an explosion, the entire magazine would have destroyed. The entire fencing would have been destroyed. So in his view also it is not an explosion. It is because of pressure created. There is a small, sort of a sound which appeared to be an explosion.
बट इसमें ब्लास्ट नहीं हुआ.
No, there was no explosion. It was burning. Because of the burning of the propellant, the nature is such that it created a pressure. Because of that pressure, and since there was no proper outlet, the thing got, it looked like an explosion. We are trying to construct one more magazine, and let me tell you, as far as distance table, up to 560 meters. In our case, it is 580 meters. There is not a single habitat. Nobody is staying. All around the magazine for 580 meters. Not a single people stay.
Yeah,
And we are maintaining the safety distance. In every sense, in every word.
We had just come on the site, and now the Sarpanch and the Panch members have also called me. So now the district administration is here. PESO person also is there on the site. So whatever legal formalities have to be done, they are doing it. So let us see what the administration has to say.
किती सील कर पासून.
I think so. They have given instruction to seal.
So reports are awaited. Till now reports written आसा. कलेक्टर मॅडम कडेन ते उलयल्ले आसा. कितें आसा तें सगळें तांकां सांगतले.
मग आता इथून असते का डेंजर काही ना.
तशें तेंच्यांनी अजून कांय हें करूं ना. सो वॉट एवर इज दे हॅव डिस्कस विथ दी कलेक्टर एंड दी कलेक्टर. ओके सो फायनल रिपोर्ट्स कितें आसा
तुमची हे आसा जी कितले ते आसतले टायम म्हणल्यार हांगा फायर सर्विस.
कलेक्टर मॅडमीन आमकां इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिल्या की आमची गाडी हांगासर दवरा म्हणून सद्या अनलेस फर्दर ऑर्डर्स आर कमिंग. आमचे फुडले ऑर्डर्स कितें मेळ्ळ्या सर आमची गाडी उरतली.
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नायक राव, जवाहर बर्वे आनी ओमकार देशप्रभू.